Today we're going to review our short and long vowel sounds and a few of our special sounds, okay? Listen. I'm going to say it first and then you're going to say it, okay? A says a, as in apple. A says a. Now you say it.
A says a, as in apple. A says a.
E says, I do it first, then you do it. E says as in elephant. E says F. E says
As in elephant. E says
I says it. Listen. I says it, as in inchworm. I says it. I says
it, as in inchworm. I says it.
O says ah. Listen. O says ah, as in ostrich. O says ah. O
Says ah, as in ostrich. O says
U says as in umbrella. U says
U says as in umbrella. U says
Remember, when we mark our short vowels, we mark them with a smile, okay? Now let's go over to our long vowel sounds. Remember, I'm going to say it first, and then when I point to you, you're going to say it, okay? A says a, as in acorn. A says a.
A says a, as in acorn. A says a.
E says e, as in eagle. E says e.
E says e, as in eagle. E says e.
I says I, as in ice cream. I says I.
I says I, as in ice cream. I says I.
O says O, as in open. O says O. Now you're going.
O says O, as in open. O says O.
U says U, as in uniform. U says U. Your turn.
U says U, as in uniform. U says U.
Remember, when we mark our vowel that says its name, we mark it with a straight line over the top. Now let's go over some special sounds. TR says straight from circle. CH says like choo choo. K says CK says SH says WH says good job. Alright, for these 5 words, we're going to mark our special sounds and mark our vowels. Put your hands down and ask a question. The first thing I want you to do is, this is my question for you, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you can tell me what word this is. Kimber. Tree. Good job. Raise your hand if you can tell me what our special sound is. Mary Ellis. TR. And how do we mark our special sounds? Circle that. Alright. How many vowels are in this word, Reagan? 2. So we're going to follow our 2 vowel rule. Our 2 vowel rule says, put your hand down, so listen. Our two vowel rule says that the first vowel is going to say its name and it gets marked with a straight line. The second vowel is going to be silent and we're going to mark it out with a slash. Okay? So in this word, how do we need to mark the vowels in here? Rose? Good job. Alright. Who can tell me what this word is? Hudson?
Cat.
Not cat. It has a CH and it's the ch sound.
Chat.
Chat. Good job. Rachel, can you tell me what our special sound is in this word? Colton? What letters make up that sound? No, a train does make the choo-choo sound, but what letters in this word make the ch sound? CH. Alright, there's only one vowel in this word. Put your hands down and ask a question yet. Our one vowel rule says that the vowel is going to make it short vowel sound and we mark it with a smile. So how do I need to mark this vowel, John? Which letter's the vowel, John? A. Good job. Alright, who can tell what this word is? Annalie. What? Tongue. Not tongue. My kid makes the sound. Aubrey. Thin. Who can tell me what our special sound is? Annalie. TH. How do we mark that? Circle it. Good job. Alright, put your hands down and ask a question. Sit on your bottoms. Sit up straight and tight. Right, look at the board. How do I need to mark the vowel in this word? Houston. Which letter's the vowel? Good job. Who can tell me what this word is? Olivia.
Sock.
Sock. Brooklyn, what's the special sound in this word? What letter comes first before the K? CK. What sound does CK make, Brooklyn? Good job. How do we mark this, Kimber? How do we mark the special sound? Circle it. Alright, how many vowels are in this word? Ever?
One.
Okay, so how do I need to mark it? Annalie? A smiley face. Good job. You mark it as a smiley face because there's only one vowel, so it makes it short vowel sound like over here in these words. Alright, who can tell me what this word is? Aubrey? Cute. Does cute have any special sounds in it?
Yes.
Do you see any of our special sounds in the word cute?
No.
No. So how do we need to mark it? Mary Ellis? Good job, because for the word cute, we just follow our two vowel rule. Alright. On your worksheet today, your name is going to go right here on the line. It says circle any special sounds. Your special sounds are listed on your paper for you. Okay? And then you're going to mark the short vowels with a smile and mark the long vowels with a straight line and cross out the silent vowel. So you're just marking them like we've been doing, okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 words to mark on the back. You're going to look at the words can write them on the line.
The same name?
The same thing. So for this one, it says chat. You're gonna write chat on this line right here.
Yes.
Okay? Aubrey, not on the back, just on the front, because you're doing the same words. The same words on the front or the same words you're writing on the back. Hudson. Does anyone else have any questions? Alright, remember, name goes at the top. Circle your special sounds, mark your vowels. If it's a short vowel, mark with a smiley face. If it's a long vowel, mark with a straight line and then cross out the silent vowel. On the back, all you're doing is writing the word that you're given on the line over here. Okay? Do you have a question about this? What is it? No, ma'am, just on the front. You're just writing your words on the back. Once you get your paper, do you have a question? No. You have something right here where it says no. You have a question? I'll put it up there. Once you get your paper, you may begin. Have a seat quietly on your bottom. Keep your eyes on your paper. I'm sorry, Colton. Where's your pencil? You circle the special sounds.